Things I bought from AliExpress. The first thing is this cool admin pouch. It has two sections. The first pocket, the front one, is good for trauma scissors or snacks or something small. And the big section, it's good for, I don't know, I have this binocular. I have my mouth guard here, for example, or set of Allen keys. So it's pretty useful. And the front has this MOLLE system and Velcro, so you can put stuff on it. For example, I can put the scissors there, but they don't hold that well because it's too loose. And also it has this Velcro section, and for the Velcro section it's just basic Velcro. You can put patches there like this, and it holds pretty tightly. The only drawback of this admin pouch is that you might have trouble accessing your magazines, but if you put it correctly on the plate carrier, or you have a longer plate carrier, you might not face this issue. The next item is this small thing. You might be wondering what this is, but it's very useful if you have PTT or radio like me, or you just need to attach some stuff on yourself. So if you look closely, you can see that these thingies are in back of my plate carrier. It helps me basically to navigate the wire so it doesn't get in the way of my arms or doesn't get caught on leaves and sticks from trees or stuff, branches. And it's very useful if you want to manage cables or wires on yourself, or something that might hang and stuck on branches or anything. So it's very good product in my opinion. So you just pick a place, you put it in the MOLLE slot like this, and now you have these two rubber bands. And you can attach something like screwdriver if you want to. Like this. Now I have a screwdriver on my chest, and yeah, it works like this. The next item are these armbands. They are simply just armbands, but they have some cool features, like this rubber band thingy that holds very tightly on your hand. So you have basically two ways of attaching it on your arms or legs even. You can just fold it like this, put the Velcro together, then you have the rubber band here, you put your arm through it, and you have your armband on. But if you want just simple quick solution, you can just fold it like this, put it on your arm, and bingo, you have your armband on. So the last item that I will show you is this magazine pouch. It can hold two AR or M4 style magazines and also two AK magazines. As you can see, I am using AK magazines. This magazine pouch holds magazines really tightly because of this strong rubber band. Unfortunately, you cannot lose the rubber band too much. You can only tighten it, which I don't find really good because it's sometimes a struggle to put magazines back in. But after long use, you might stretch the rubber band so the magazines can fit more easily back in. The magazine pouch also has this MOLLE system on it, which can be used to attach dump pouch like I do, as you can see, which is really helpful if you don't want to waste space on your belt and use the remaining MOLLE system for something more useful, like another magazine pouches. And one really good thing about this magazine pouch is that it doesn't use Velcro or buttons or anything. You just get this part here and you slid it into this slot here and it's locked and it doesn't make any sound. So if you want to get your magazine out, you just pull a little and it's open and you can get your magazine out. Another good thing to know about this pouch is that it uses divider for the two magazines and you can easily put it out. As you can see, this is the divider. It is placed like this inside of the magazine pouch and it divides the magazines. Now, if you get it out, you can use the pouch for lots of things, like maybe if I get this wine opener, I can now put it inside of the pouch easily. Bingo, now I'm ready to open a wine. Also, if you have the divider out, you can still put your magazines inside and everything fits perfectly. So this is everything for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.